Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for GoTV. And we discuss the K-leg inside the 2016 budget and the back-to-back sack. Whether this action when Oga President don't take, that the one when we say go move this our country forward in the direction, say, okay, oh, people when we say they don't finger them, say somehow, they follow for those when throw monkey and inside the pot of soup for inside our Obodo Nigeria, they go answer some of their questions. He got waiting Oga Samali, one of our callers from Ojodu bin talk, when we say, it go dey very, very important, make we correct. Now, like we talked earlier, we talk say for the civil service, they go talk say na disengage. But if Oga President don't use in power, considering the fact say he gets some positions when we say the act, that is the law where establish and guarantee say you go there for this particular period of time, and if we can look say okay, this person you do well to continue, and Oga President don't tell you say make you go, na sack, na be that, na sack. And he gets one interview when we say one human rights lawyer, Barrister Mike Ozekome, come out and talk say, if Oga President just they use in powers like that, they come up political appointees because they don't vote these ones, them enter. And at the office of Oga President, now he use put them for inside that position, say he go make people they fear because job security no day. And it's very, very evident, say this government don't spend 9 months for power. You know, expecting that the government will not spend 9 months, for government will not there for like 6 years, now you go put people when they there already. Even though some people they talk say, now the hierarchy of the APC, now you apply pressure on top of Oga President. Like many of our callers don't talk. If we check, say, that television station when they call, say, it be like, say, they don't see improvement for inside, and be say, we need that change when Oga President don't change inside the particular agencies them.
Yes, that particular change. But then, Chukudi, in as much as we talk, say we need change, make we also somehow ask ourselves some certain questions about that is the things we revolve around this sack or so okay then dismissal or any time we won't use for them. Okay, we be somehow we hear him say okay now APC or guys that look say no, make them come out these people so that at least some of their own people. We be say somehow they lose out for one election or the other. Go fit do anything. Go fit fill in these positions as compensation. That if we also they look at, make we also check out from this angle. No, whether have to compensate people or but maybe they just remove them out of sincerity. We get Oga Samson they call us from my 12. Good morning, Samson.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
About the matter one they discussed then.
Yeah.
We want to say that President do is normal.
Would they hear you, Samson? Continue. Samson. I beg Samson, try call us back. Make we hear you clearly. We got Informa, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Madam Informa.
Hello.
Informa, good morning. Yes, would they hear you? Right on.
Yeah, good morning, Mr. Chukwudi and Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning. Continue.
You see this matter?
Uh-huh.
Good morning, Mr. Chukwudi and Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning,
with the answer.
This matter where would they talk so now welcome development.
Okay.
But the problem where they be say, may they no carry carpenter put where make it go they give injection.
Mm-hmm.
Make it no carry.
Madam Informa, continue.
Madam Informa, I beg, next time if you call us, reduce the volume of your television. Make we hear the talk when we say you want talk. And we from the direction of waiting your talk enter. Now one of the reasons why we carry this particular topic come. Because underneath, people they talk say, the APC put pressure on top of Oga President to come out some of these people for office. But like some of our callers don't agree. Indeed, if we really talk, say we want change, some of these agencies, if like say they never do the work when suppose they do. Even aside from the fact, say the K-leg when we see inside the 2016 budget. But you go there very, very important, say, if you come up person and you want replace them, you go put person when we say, you go fit do the work where. From Informa way call us from Ikorodu we miss, we go enter this call from Makodi, collect this one from Patience. Madam Patience, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Madam Patience.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning. Would they hear you right now?
The thing I want to talk be saying,
okay.
Waiting Buhari did, they do like a military. But that no be say people where they do better thing, no go leave them. You know, military, they know they look before they do. In that military, they say they find blood. But there are people where no corrupt. we're supposed to retain. Maybe she go just come out everybody like that. You know, good. If you want to come out, make come out all the permanent secretaries. Because they are the problem we have in Nigeria. All the permanent secretaries are the one with the corrupt ministers. I could remember during Obasanjo, one minister entered. At the end of the year, money remained 300 million. The woman, one Yoruba, whether Mrs. Grange, he said, they return the money. The permanent secretary there is not something they do. And they share the money within themselves. So the minister said, okay, everybody will share the money, the secret can't leak. So all the permanent secretaries, if you can remove all this, remove all of them. They are the problem we have. But there are good ones, like NTA. They know they do good things where people they watch. My children know they watch NTA. You go bring program where people, as soon as they do this one, everybody contribute. They are all the same as government, anything where they talk. People don't look NTA tired. So the thing I want to advise government, there are still people where they corrupt, where they're supposed to remove. And the thing where they are past scholars talk. You know, go carry lawyer, go put where doctor supposed to do. Where carry doctor, go put for power. You know, that kind of thing, you know, they give any profit. So then you have the people where they work well. So make them look down well. Let me say to satisfy their party members. These party members are the one telling Buhari to do this, you know. If I no do them, my party say make them come out. And Buhari, for say all these party members are former PDP members. And they want rule in government. So we voted for Buhari, we want change. But the change we want, we must do the right thing. So
Madam Patience, thank you very much for this important advice where you don't carry give our government. So you don't talk like all some of our callers don't talk, say, make you no carry carpenter put for where he be saying an injection. The person is supposed to give because he go carry hammer the injection, enter inside the person body. And that will cause another thing. Exactly now, exactly. So we dey appeal to the government, and as a people, we also go the demand for say make our government and do wetin dey right. Yes. And it's very, very important when we say as Nigerians, we go begin the demand for more. Take for example, a lot of our callers don't talk about the television station when we say it's supposed to be the official television station of Nigeria. For the but they talk say some of the things when they see there, not be something when we say they make their belly sweet. So it go dey very, very important. If we dey invest plenty money, enter inside here, just like so many other agencies.
The money when they invest, make they see the result.
Exactly now what it's supposed to be.
For us to say this level of changes, not because of say okay, somehow when they enter into these sectors, when they enter into these parasitors, but then we know they see though the effect of the money, we know they see the money show on the sector where they tram inside. So I mean, if I channel money into a particular ministry or into a particular parasitor, I go expect make that money make if he play around, make if he do that way, I put that money for that money for. But if you can't say okay, we still do that same recycling process of make we do it the same way, make we do this one, make we do this one. In the end, we not going to see development for that particular parasitor or sector. What do you expect? Now this kind of thing they result to change. Removing the people who did there for bringing in somebody who then fit say you go fit and do it and give them result. So now that same change
which example you they give say if I dey invest money, if I dey invest, you dey talk like say now you even get the money. You dey talk like say now you dey put the money.
Anything that has to do with this country belongs to all of us.
Which one? You for talk say if
I have every right.
If I dey.
I have every right to claim say if I.
You cannot claim because if I use you do example here, you don't agree.
I'm a part of Nigeria.
You could say if we as Nigerians, not they use yourself.
Okay,
they
fine.
do example.
I am speaking on behalf of Nigerians.
Say if we, not be if I.
I as a Nigerian, they speak on behalf of
you get
every
money.
other Nigerian.
You get money when you come out here. They talk say if I dey. Are you the president?
The money not be our money.
Why you not talk say if we?
I don't get any right to claim some of my money they invest.
Why are you selfish in the example? Why they say if I? Which money? Why not if we? If I use to do example for this show,
what have I done to they get this level of yabi with the yabi?
If our caller, if this is our caller from Ikorodu call us now, he go talk what you don't do.
Hi.
If I. So now only you feel I. Now only you spend money for the example.
Good morning,
if
Oga Israel.
Oga Nkwobi and Oga Chukudi.
We dey greet your guy Israel.
We dey hear you right on.
Oga Chukudi.
Oga Israel, they hear you.
I beg leave Nkwobi alone, I beg.
Hey.
If they call you Nkwobi, you dey happy. Hey,
no,
they call you Nkwobi.
We go come and speak of tongue. I believe am, yeah?
Okay.
Wetin me I wan put for this matter be say our government they no dey try at all. people they suffer. We just a year change. Nothing like change for this country. They just they change their pockets. So waiting me, I just want to talk. We say, may our president do better thing.
Okay.
People will be say supposed to remove. Not be there they remove. Because why? Hello?
We hear you.
You know, like waiting one of my sister talked the other time. You know, if he carry tailor, person will be tailor.
Come out and bring person where they give injection.
May you go tell us, may you go build house. It's impossible now. Understand? So guys, they suffer for this country where we're. If we look at things they go on for this country, in fact, the one way that they shout Boko Haram, things go change more than Boko Haram.
We don't pray for that one to happen.
Because now hungry, now they make person they do what you don't want to do. Understand? Now they just they fight on their party, PDP, APC. They fight against PDP.
Okay, Israel, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And it go good make we point them out. Say, even though we dey face some kind of challenges for this our country, we dey pray say even the bad things when we dey face, make it no increase past this one because we dey try our best to see say we pursue these bad things come up for this our country. So the issue of Boko Haram will be major problem. We just hope say we go fit curtail am, make the one way pass am no come again. Oga Samali they call us back to back from Ojodu. Oga Samali, welcome back to Aside Hot.
Abuja, this one Abuja.
Oh, Oga Samali back from Abuja.
Good morning, Samali. Samali, good morning. You there? Blast say we don't lose that one. Chukudi, the major thing we say we always they talk and hear. And the whole essence of governance now for us to do it in, for us to collectively do it in support government, and then for our government to also look the country where they start. So okay, see the demands of the people, and at least if they meet up with the demands of the people no go they get reasons to come they complain all the time. But on our own part, at least that consistency, that this to always they demand from government go always they come up because it is about now people will put inside government. Now we say okay, may na go lead, may na go represent us, and may na make sure to represent us well. Once we now they now not they do what na supposed to do, because they do it for our own selfish interest. Then it calls for Nigerians to at least talk. It calls for Nigerians to raise their voices. We get a caller right now. Good morning.
Felix.
We get Oga Felix. Oga Felix, they call us from Ogba. Good morning, Felix.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Ukubi.
Good morning.
Mr. Shukudi, how are you now?
We did greet you, Oga Felix.
The family.
Thank you very much.
Indeed.
I love this on our program that they do.
Thank you
very much.
But the issue be say, I not just understand where the drivers go for this country. Because they say now driving of change would do now, but it be like saying backward would they go.
Why you talk so, Oga Felix?
They come from Ogba area.
I say why you talk so? Why you talk so now?
This issue of this fact of a thing where they talk now. You they sack people. If they sack people, you know they look what they go on for the country. The country just they turn around. They turn around. We not know what they go on. No, to eat these days now a problem. So buy food from market. Look come up here water where they sell for outside. They on strike. We know they fit drink water. Where the country they go, we don't know. Then they shout change. Now the same set of people who don't they rule us since 1960 and they still they rule us up till today. If they shout change. But now the same people who corrupt this country, they pack under yourself. How you want to move on this country?
Oga Felix, this one where you don't raise a very important issue. And it go dey very, very good where we say, as we dey discuss these issues one by one, we dey join them, they balance them, so that the matter go dey very, very clear. Like what you don't talk, say, not be just to face one particular direction. If we face one direction and people they suffer, people they hungry, then we say, wahala go dey. Oga Stephen, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Oga Stephen, good morning and welcome to Aside Hot.
Oga Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Stephen.
Nkubi, agreed.
I greet you too.
I beg, this thing where would they talk now? You know, for these people where they say they sack or they remove from office, when you look calm, when you shine your eye well, wash water for your eye, look calm, you go understand saying political issues. Now political issues. Because if you look at the people where they don't appoint already, make I look, for example, person where they will be lawyer, he carry and put for Ministry of Works, Electricity, and all that. What in it be there? Now law court with that. You know, so if you look people where you go put now, you go say this thing is all about compensation. Because from the other caller, I realize say things then they remove now. People where PDP put, they won't remove them, make them put their own party. So they don't want to know whether the person be professional for that area. They don't say, this person, our person, you don't try. Or I can't stay here, make it from there, chop your own. So the issue where they ground and our president had a beg, making chook eye well, because what thing they happen now? I as a businessman now at their house. Nothing they go now sell now. Where I go from import goods, where I go stay seller. You know, so this country thing with them now to everything they turn up and down. So if our president go look that very well, make him check, put professionals for these offices so that they go deliver. So you go compensate person where you say you don't know anything about a particular office because they will compensate and put there. This country go worse. So.
Oga Stephen, thank you very much for this your important contribution. Everything where they talk now say make we get
the right people.
Round pegs in round holes. Make it not be like say this person they just appoint them so that he go just come here, can't do this one because he be member of our political party. Oga Alozie, they call us all the way from Enugu. Oga Alozie, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Hello, Mr. Chukwudi. Can I greet Mr. Nkwobi?
Good morning, Oga Alozie.
I hail you. Leave Chukwudi. I think they tackle you. Chukwudi not going to win in Jesus' name.
They don't even go spiritual for your condition. Okay, nice one.
Oga Alozie, right now they hear you, Jare.
Okay, see what thing they happen for Nigeria. We never understand what thing this Buhari they turn this country to be. I think they pursue these people saying they give them disengagement. Waiting the disengagement, let them tell them, say, they find them. So except only that NTA man where would they happy. Other people, then they work. Making no go bring carpenter, come put inside hospital, say make them come there, cheer up. You understand? Make them help us for this country. With the roast. Make them change better people. We be say, we go help us for this country. We go make this country improve. Make poor people they eat. Make rich men they eat. Now the thing where would they talk?
Oga Alozie, thank you very much
for this your important contribution. And you don't raise one new point when we say we go hold. For the very first time in a long while, a lot of Nigerians, they look Oga Presido, not be just basically about where he come from or the religion, but on to say, make we do things when we go make this our country better. And it is very, very good. Irene, they call us all the way from Ikorodu. Irene, good morning and welcome to As It Dey Hot.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Irene. Irene, would they hear you right on?
I beg, the thing where I want to thank God for what you people are doing.
Thank you.
God will continue to uphold you people.
Yes.
Amen.
You see, when people are talking about change, when something don't spoil, it takes time to effect that change. So when people they talk about Buhari, they have not started seeing the effectiveness of what he's doing. It's very wrong. Something we don't spoil for how many years. Waiting we supposed to they do the same, make we support them with prayers. And every good thing we want to do, may God help them. And what I want to tell you people, they say, the heart of man is wicked. As that man at the top, they plan to do good things. Some people don't want make that thing work out. My own be say, whether the person where they there, whether they do well, if people na Buhari in Papa Pikin, make it remove them. This will not be concerning PDP
Relation,
and APC.
what
would they talk now concerning people's head, the whole country. So people should not be sentimental, whether now because APC they put pressure on Buhari. That is not what we are saying. Anybody where they in any position, where they find out say it's not capable, the person know the thing where they do. Make them remove them. Make them put the right person. For the change where will they pray about, make it come to pass. I beg, another thing where me I want beg now, because the thing what they do, it don't make almost everybody for Nigeria, no na station then they watch now. You get message one saying you in Kubi and Chukwudi.
Okay,
so Lagos State Governor, the thing what happened for my eye, as a mother the other day, I beat conductor inside motor. All these our children when they go school, when they won't enter bus, conductor they go push them come out. When Fashola dey there, then they carry children. Then go keep them for standing. If that girl wey them push that day, if that girl die, nobody go know who kill her. Make Ambode, make you know what you go do for children. If they won't give them bus, make them give them. If all these red buses, if then they carry 20 children a day, then go help children. And if they not say they don't get provision for transport, make them give them school for where those children they live. We don't lose people enough. We send children to go and learn, not to be killed by irresponsible conductors and drivers. These red buses, they are not helping issues.
Madam Irene, this one when you don't talk, don't really show, say, you be real mama when get the interest of Nigeria, not be just your children, Nigeria at heart, and we really appreciate them. We go quick rush, enter inside this small break. When we go this break, come back. All the talk when we say our Ogbonge Nigerian people don't put down, we go emphasize them so that those when they watch us to do the right thing for this country, go take the necessary action when we go move our country forward. Make una no go anywhere. As Madam Irene don't talk, now we be the #1 television station, and this na the Ogbonge program. As Ide. Welcome back to As In A Hot. And for where we stand, so now the final bus stop, now we see so on top of this Ogbonge program. We don't carry the topic come about the K-leg when appear inside the 2016 budget. And the fact say Oga Presido just carry in power back to back. He sack plenty of your goddamn for the various parastatals and agencies. A lot of people don't call to talk, say, if we check this sack, the thing they long overdue. Aside from the fact, say, some of these agencies, it be like, say, the work when they're supposed to do, they not do well. But people can't draw here, they give government, say, make we no come they see, say, we carry shoemaker, put for where he be, say, na person when supposed they talk well, na in dey there. So that we go get smooth process and everything go there very, very open. Could be a go good, make we point out something. One of our callers, he be like saying Oga Lozier or Oga Stephen. When he been calling me talk, say Oga, our like the honorable 3-in-1 minister, Babatunde Raji Fashola, say him be lawyer and everything like that. But he go there very, very good. Make they point out, say the fact say he be senior advocate of Nigeria, no mean say he no go fit function in the capacity as minister of those 3-in-1 ministries. It go there very, very important. Make we know. Say in a person when we say,
considering the fact, say that Fashola in Lagos State, considering the population of Lagos, considering what he also do for Lagos, at least considering the kind of population of people wey in feel rule for Lagos, and how he ensures say Lagos in all these different sectors, both house, power, at least how he ensures say things they steady. At least now to also tell you say yes, no responsibility you no go give them, we no go fit carry out. We get one call on the line right now.
David, all the way from Agopala David.
David, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I beg, will they hear you talk? Continue. Will they hear you talk?
Make I talk?
Yeah, right on, will they hear you?
Okay. Good morning,
Good morning,
Oga
David.
Good morning, sir.
How are they?
Will they fine?
God bless you, man. My brother, this thing where we dey talk na serious matter for Nigeria. Na serious matter for Nigeria because this change.
Oga David, abeg, we go urge you to, abeg, next time if you wan call us, I sure say they bring down the volume of your television so that at least you go feel here, you go also feel hear us. Because that point where we won't drop, at least I know na point where carry weight. Well, we don't hear all our callers, Chukudi, and they don't speak their mind. Majority of our callers, they demand for, say, yes, say some of these changes on due. And now for us to see it in transparency and continuation in the system. Such way we say, we go do better off than waiting we they see at the moment, or rather waiting don't they in the past.
Exactly.
So now waiting we go collectively they pray for, and also they support our government to also we say they achieve.
Very, very true. It go very, very important. Make we point them out. Say the voice of the people, not the voice of God. I for talk for Latin, but I don't say we go start quarrel.
Don't even dare it, please.
Okay, Vox Populi, Vox Dei. Vox Populi, Vox Dei. Do your worst.
Tell them what it means.
Our people when they
tell them what it means. Vox Populi, Vox Dei.
I talk for English. I don't say if I talk about Latin, you go there. Why you say
you talk English?
Okay, our people went there for house. We don't talk
English.
Allow me to end the show. our people went there for house. Make we continue to the talk so that government go to hear. No say no be only sit down look what they do. We want this when go change this our country. Until we come back again tomorrow with another topic when they come up plenty smoke. We thank una when call us on top of our city halls. We thank una when they watch, and we thank una for all the support una they give us. Una bye.
Voice for police fuck the.
Is that not what I said? The voice of the people and the voice of God.
Now, no, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.